These are the escalators at Belk, the avenues in Jacksonville, Florida. Up escalator. And I believe these are Montgomery. Oh my god! Look up at the skylight. I love it. Wow. This is a nice atrium here. Up escalator. No signs. Now we're gonna head back down. We're gonna look at this atrium once more. Wow, this is really unique. Stuck in the 90s. Love it. Here's the entrance here. That's the mall. Down escalator sign here. Montgomery. Yep. And the atrium again. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. There's the entrance and the elevators over there. Montgomery, that's it.